Hi, Dr. Armstrong.
Oh, good morning, Gina.
You know, there's an old saying that the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is the extra. And today, I want to discuss how this extra is so compelling that you'll want to change all your hospital orders to Similac Advance. What do you think about the impact of our nucleotide blend on immune system development?
Well, I don't know. I don't really see much role for nucleotides.
As you know, nucleotides are essential as building blocks of DNA and RNA, as factors in many metabolic reactions like energy transfer, and are also one of many protective components of breast milk. Dietary nucleotides have been shown to have a beneficial effect on immune system development, but are found at relatively low levels in unfortified milk-based formulas.
Well, that's fine, but I'm really not convinced that your product is any better than the others. I mean, my understanding is that everyone adds them.